Well, how do you vaccinate wild deer? The Michigan Department of Natural Resources thinks it's found the answer. As Nate Salazar found out, a new field study is underway to protect Michigan's wild deer herd, and biologists say it's working.
Sherry, that's exactly right. A partnership between Michigan DNR, Michigan State University, and the USDA's National Wildlife Research Center is changing the way that we go about protecting our whitetails. Yes, they're using vaccines, but they're not going around poking the deer.
For 3 decades, Michigan wildlife agencies have worked to get rid of bovine tuberculosis, a common disease transmitted through wild deer herds, mainly in the Lower Peninsula. And wildlife officials say it's a zoonotic disease.
That means it can be transmitted from wildlife or animals to people, and it is endemic or self-sustaining in 5 counties in the northeast Lower Peninsula.
Wildlife health specialist Emily Sewell says the DNR has been studying options to vaccinate deer against BTB, and recently, an oral vaccine placed in special food has proven effective in captive deer populations. Now, they're giving it a shot on wild deer.
Using vaccine delivery units that the deer would ingest, and so they would orally receive that vaccine.
The field study is taking place in a small area of southern Alpena County. The feeders placed on privately owned crop fields with high populations of deer. According to the DNR, so far, the deer can't get enough.
They have been seeing good uptake of them, and they're pleased with that.
After a few weeks of feeding, they'll go in and see if anything has changed.
Do testing to detect immune response, which either could be from bovine tuberculosis or from the vaccine, and then further testing will be done.
The study acts as a proof of concept, which could pave the way for taking care of our wildlife for years to come.
The DNR also advises that every hunter who plans on consuming a deer should get it tested, whether there is concern of BTB or chronic wasting disease. To find those locations, you can visit the DNR's website. Sherry, back to you.
All right, great.